Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the aptitude questions of the exam assistant director in the Directorate of Economics and Statistics by KPSC held on 21/9/2023 in the booklet series C. So first question, assume the following statements and identify the conclusions which follow from these statements. Every square is a circle. Every circle is not a triangle. Every triangle is an ellipse. So firstly, every square. So every square comes in the circle. The first statement, every circle is not a triangle. So this whole circle is not a triangle. Therefore, some of the circle comes in triangle. Let's say this. Every triangle is an ellipse. So ellipse within ellipse triangle will come. So this is the statements in the drawing form. Conclusion, first one, every triangle is not a square. Every triangle is not a square. There is no relationship between triangle and square. So first one is right. Some triangles are square. Some triangles are square. There is no relation. So this one is also is wrong. So the answer is only conclusion one follows. Second question. Let A and B travel in a circular path starting from the same point at a time. A takes 12 minutes to cover the circular path once and B takes 30 minutes to cover the circular path once. How long it will take for A and B to meet again at the starting point? So let's suppose they are moving in a circular path. This will be starting point. For A, it will take 12 minutes. For B, it will take 30 minutes. So it's a question of LCM. So first we will find the LCM between 12 and 30. 6 2 5. So LCM will be 6 to 12, 12 is 60. 60 is LCM. So every 60 minutes they will meet again. So it is 1 hour. So answer is 1 hour. Find the remainder when 179 factor is divided by 7 to the power of 28. So 179 factorial to the power of, they're asking remainder. 179 factorial is nothing but 179 into 178 and so on up to 7 into 6 into 5 to 1 divided by 7 into 7 up to 28 times of 7. Suppose from 1 to here 70, let's say, suppose 7, this one will cancel, this one will cancel. Similarly, up to 1 to 70, 10 7 will get cancelled. From 70 to 140, another 10 will get cancelled. From 140 to 175, there is 5, like 35. 140 plus 35 is 175. So 5 7 will get cancelled. Here the number 49 will come. So if we divide by 7, the remainder will be 7. So plus 1 more 7 will get cancelled. Here also same, 1 more 7 will get cancelled. Here also 1 more 7 will get cancelled. So totally 28 7 will cancel. That is all the 7 will cancel. So that one will be 1. So remainder will be 0. So answer is 1. Next question. Identify the true statements. Let L, M and N be 3 integers. Then first, if L divides M, then M divides L. Say it's saying if L divides M, suppose 4 divided by 2. Then it is saying m divides l. No, 2 by 4, 4 will not divide 2. So this one is wrong. If l divides m plus n divides l, then l divides m and l divides n. It is a question of plus, so it will not happen. For example, 2 plus 6 divided by 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 by 8 divided by 8. So it holds good. It's then saying 2 divided by 8 will not happen. 6 divided by 8 not happen. So this is also wrong. This is also wrong. Third, if L divides into N, let's suppose 6 into 2 divided by 4. So it's saying 6 by 4 or 2 by 4 holds good. This is also wrong. If L is a prime number, this word is very important. Prime number. If L divides M by N, let's suppose 3 into 2 divided by 2. 2 is a prime number. So he's saying 3 by 2 or so 2 by 2. It holds good. So answer is 4. Let x equal to 7 to the power of 15. Find the value of log x. 7 to the power of 30. We'll take x equal to 7 to the power of 15. Squaring both sides, we'll get 7 to the power of 30. Applying log both sides, that implies log of 7 to the power of 30 equal to log of x to the x square. We know that log of x to the power of something, the power will come here. Log of x 2 into, we know that log x equal to, here we will apply log x equal to 15 log 7. So 15 log 7, nothing but 30 log 7. Approximate value of log 7 is like it will be greater than 0.5 obviously. So greater than 0.5 is greater than 15. Greater than 15 is greater than 15. 30 obviously not, because 30 into something is there. So 30 will also not come. Answer is none of the above. Find the integers x and y such that GCD, greatest common divisor of two numbers x, y is 7 and LCM x, y is 7. Let's say suppose we will take for example this one. LCM of 49 and 1 is 49. Here it is 1 is 49. So LCM is 7. It is given for, so not come. 49 and 7. LCM of 47 and 9 is 7. So 7 is 7. Again 1. 7 into 7, 49. LCM is 49. So option 2 is also wrong. Third option 7 and 7. 7 was 1. So LCM is 7. Answer is 25. And you know that GCD important. GCD, the product of GCD and LCM is equal to product of x into y. So the product is 7 into 7. You can see 7 into 7. This all option may come 14 into 1. 1 is 49. But the LCM will not match. So answer is 1. Next question. Let P be any prime number. Find the value of log P2. This is the equation given. We'll find from this one. We know that log of something to the power of something, then to the power of something to the power of, suppose say m is equal to m by 2 log P of P and log P of P. If these two base and the number is same, the value will be 1. Suppose and we'll find this one. So log of P square to the power of P. This is 1. P power is 1. So 1 by 2. This one 2. Then log of P of P. P of P is 1. So the answer is 1 by 2. We'll put this value as 1 by 2. And the 1, 2 will get cancelled. The minus 1 plus 1 also will get cancelled. The answer is P for this one. So log of P of P is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is 2. Log 2 of 2 is 1. That is P into 1 is P. And then again log P2 will get this one. It is also same. The answer is 1 by 2. Just practice this one. A and B can complete a piece of work in 10 and 15 days respectively. If after working alone for 4 days, he leaves the work and goes home, then how long would B take to finish the remaining work? We should know the formula. Work done is equal to the time taken into the rate of work at which the labor do. Rate of work. For example, if you take A, he completes total work in 10 days. So rate of work is nothing but just 1 divided by the amount, the total number of days it take to do the work. It is for A. For B, it is 1 by 15. Here it is given, if after working alone for 4 days, A leaves the work and goes home, then how long could B take to finish the remaining work? First, we have to find how much the worker A done the work and what is the remaining work is left over, so that the B can finish the remaining work. Work done. So work done is nothing but for A. Suppose work done equal to time is 4 into the rate of work for A is 1 by 10. Work done is 4 by 10. It is the total work. Leftover work equal to total, say suppose 1 minus 4 by 10. So it is 6 by 4. 6 by 4 work has to be done by B. So what is the time? Work done should be 6 by 4 for B. What is the time into rate of work of B is 1 by 15. So T equal to, sorry, this one is 10. This one is 10. 5 3s are 5 2s are 3s are. So T equal to 9. So answer is next. In an examination, 48% students failed in physics, 52% students in mathematics, 20% students failed in both the subjects. The number of students who passed the examination was 880. How many students appeared in the examination? If the examination consists of these two subjects, suppose this is for physics, this is for mathematics. So it is 48%. It is 32% for mathematics. So both failed is 30%. So total number of students failed, they have given 20%. So total we have to find first how many students get failed. that is 48% for physics, 32% mathematics, minus the common is 20%. It is 80 minus 2 is 60% of total students get failed. Here it is given number of students passed. How many students are passed from 100%? 40%. 40% is given as 880. So here they are asking the total number of students appeared, that is 100% is what? 100 into 880 divided by 40. Find 2200. Answer is 2200. Find the least number which, when divided by 18, 28, 30, and 42, will leave in each case the same remainder 1. It is the number will be number is equal to LCM of x, y, z plus the remainder. We'll first find the LCM. 18, 24, 30, and 42. Suppose the common is like 6, 3, 4, 5, and 7. You can see 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 7. You can see there is a 0. So the last number will be 0 plus the remainder is 1. So the last number will be 1. Here the answer is, and try what is the multiplication. The answer will be 252. If a certain code language BEAT is written as YZ, YVZC, what will be code MILD? So just write on A, B, C, G, H, M, N, and you can see B is coded as Y. That is second from starting is second from the last. So just we have to write the whole series in reverse order. So you can see B is Y, E is V, A is Z, and T is Z. So the code holds good. Let's find M. M is coded as N. So this may come or this may come. Then next I. I is coded as R. Answer is 4. Which is the greatest among 33.5%, 4 by 15 and 0.3. 4 by 15 nothing but 4 point something. It is approximately 0.25. So it is less than 0.35. 33%, 33 thing, but 0.33. 0.33 is also less than 0.35. So answer is 3. If the 17% from the front in a queue is 11% from the behind, how many percents are there in the queue? Suppose this is a starting point. He's saying 17% from the front, 17% from the front. Let's say this is a finish. Is 11% from the behind. This same person is 11th. So how many from S to F, how many are there? So 17 plus 11. Here we have counted 2 times, so just subtract by 1. Answer is 27. Average salary of 5 employees in a company is 5,000 per month. Which of the following in rupees is the total annual expenditure on salary for these 5 employees by the company? Average of 5 is 5,000. So for 5% for 1 month, it is given per month. For 5% per month, he has to give 5,000 into 5%. That is, here for a month, you have to spend 25,000 on 5 members. The question is asking for annual expenditure, that is for 12 months. What is 12 into 5 is 300,000. That is 3 lakh. The mean and median of a distribution are 13 and 15 respectively. What is the value of mode? You just need to remember one formula. Here the mode is equal to 3 times the median minus of 2 times the mean. So we'll find the mode here. 3 into median is 15 minus 2 times of 30. It is nothing but 9. That is 5 3s are 30. 30 minus 20. 32. Sorry, sir. 5 3s is 45. 45 minus 26 is equal to 90. So it's 90. A person drives his car 15 kilometers towards north. This is a problem of direction. First we'll have to write the directions correctly. Then we will take one statement at a time. The person drives his car 15 towards north. Suppose this is starting points. We will drive 15 km towards north. That is 15 km. Then turns west and travels 5 km. Then turns west and travels 5 km. Then turns to his left. For him, the downward is left. He travels 20 km. This is 15 plus 5. This extra is 5. He travels left and then further travels 5 km towards his left. In this point and in this direction, this is the left. Travels 5 km. Then the minimum distance he needs to travel to reach his original point. This is the original point. He has to travel this distance, that is 5 km. Answer is 5. Next question. What could be the compound interest obtained on an amount of 20,000 at the rate of 15% per annum after 4 years? Compound interest formula is equal to the principal amount into 1 plus the rate of interest to the power of time minus the principal amount. In this case, rate of interest is 0.15. Take 1 plus 0.15, it will be equal to 1.15 to the power of 4. We can't find without calculator or the log. So here, suppose here the shortcut or the easiest method I will tell. Suppose take 20,000 as 20 rupees. The simple interest on 20 rupees per annum at 15% rate will be 20. That is PTR divided by 100 is a formula for simple interest. That is 20 is the principal amount, time is 1 year, rate of interest divided by 100. That is 3 rupees. 3 rupees you have to pay per annum as simple interest for 20 rupees, or 1 rupees approximately for 7 rupees interest. At the end of 1 year, that is, he has to pay 3 rupees. So totally 23 rupees he has to pay back at the end of 1 year. So for here it is for 4 rupees. The compound interest is nothing but he has to pay the interest on simple interest amount also, that is for 3 rupees. If you take this into account, then for second year he has to pay for 23 rupees, that is 3 rupees extra. For 3 rupees extra, that is here the increase is 3 rupees, so for 3 rupees he has to pay extra 0.5 rupees. You can see here for 20 rupees he is paying 3 rupees. For that is half, 7 divided by 3.5 is nothing but 3, has to pay 0.5 rupees. For 23 rupees he has to pay 3.5 rupees, that is 26.5. Next year he will have to pay interest on 26.5. So suppose that is increase of 3 rupees or 3.5 rupees, he has to pay 0.5 extra on this amount, that is 4 rupees, that is 30.5 approximately. Then next year he has to pay for 30.5, that is increase of 4 rupees, that, like suppose 4.5 extra, that is 34, 35. This is nothing but the total amount he has to pay as interest, that is 3 plus 3 is 6.5, 6.5 is 10.5, 10.5 plus 4.5 is nothing but approximately 15. So the near one is 14,950. The answer is 36%. If you know how to calculate this one, you can go, or this is the simplest method, that is 15 into 1,000, that is nothing but approximately 15,000 is a compound interest on 20,000 rupees. Next question: if today is Sunday, then what day will it be in 29 days? 1 week we have 7 days. Let's calculate the remainder of 29 days, that is 7. 1 is the remainder. Just add one more day to the Sunday, that is Monday. The answer is Monday. Any question like this, just find the remainder of this number by dividing it by 7, and whatever the remainder, just add to the Sunday, you will get the answer. If A is B's sister, C is B's mother, B is C's father, E is D's mother, how is A related to B? Let's suppose this triangle is male and this circular symbol for female. A is B's sister, so A is B's sister. A and B is of same age, and A is B's sister, so A is female. Next, C is B's mother. C is mother, so age of C is more than B. So I am writing just above C, just above B, C. C is mother. Mother means female. Then D is C's father. C's father is D, so he will come above. So D, he is male. D, E is D's mother. E will come above D, so E is mother. So the question is how A is related to D. What is the relation between A and D? So there is difference between 2 generations. So of course he will be grandfather to A, or D is A is granddaughter of D, or D is grandfather of A. A is granddaughter of D. Answer is A. Sanjana invested 70,000 to start a business after. Sanjana invested 70,000 to start a business. After 8 months, Shravan invested 1,80,000 to join the same business. After 1 year, in what proportion will Sanjana and Sharan share the profit? Profit is nothing but the amount invested into the time. So for Sanjana, that is after 1 year, profit of Sanjana is equal to amount is 70,000 to time she invested is 12 months, that is 1 year. And Sharan invested 1,80,000 for for time period. After 8 months means he at the end of 1 year, that is 12 minus 8 is 4 months. He invested for 4 months. Let's say at the end of 4 years. So what is the proportion of Sanjana and Sharan share the profit? So just divide both this 4 1 3s. This will cancel. This will cancel. Ones 6. Answer is 7:6. 39 minutes. Next question. In the first 15 overs of a cricket match, the run rate was only 4.6. What should be the run rate in remaining 25 overs to reach the target 259? So runs scored in first 15 overs is 15 into 4.6. That is approximately 15. 4 is 60. 15 into 6 is 9. So that is 60 plus 9 is 69. Runs scored in 15 overs. What should be the run rate remaining 25 overs to reach the target? Remaining 25 overs, that is the total overs will be 40 overs. 69 runs already scored. Total is 259. We deduct 69 from this one. That is around 190 runs we have to score in 25 overs. That is 190 to 25. It is less than 8. 8 is 200, so less than 8 is 7.6. Answer is 3. So thank you guys. These are all the aptitude question. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.